laying it bare before you is the great slippage part. We are very thankful to Honorable Minister that he took the lead to see that a clear-cut document is prepared, a clear-cut process is prepared so as to ensure that the whole issue of great slippage becomes a thing of the past in next couple of months or max 3 months. So we are committed not merely in terms of improving coal production or increasing coal production. The commitment is to further develop brand Coal India so that people start, the consumers start believing in this agency called Coal India, not merely because it is a monopoly or monopolistic organization, but because it looks after the interests of the consumers. What is heartening is that though we've been talking a lot in the past, there are guys who are working in the field, they are walking the talk. And in that context, I'd like to compliment once again Chairman Western Coalfield for having done what he's done. It is quite remarkable. But you have to demonstrate in the days to follow that what has happened is not a flash in the pan. It will continue that way, and let your work be visible, let your work be seen, and let your work be appreciated. I have no doubt that will happen, but make it happen. Thank you.